You got the wire, right? I got pretty much everything else. We need the gauges, right?
Sure it works, right? Alright.
Where's the head on it? Okay, well.
Not in there, right?
Can you hold that?
There you go.
No. 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 Okay. Oh, yeah, here. Okay.
Get a project things. You can't find the head, right?
I can't find the head. Okay. I got everything. What?
You gotta find the not barrel.
Yes, Dad.
Okay.
Look. Because of the new set I got from it. Comes in clutch, huh? When you got new stuff? Oh, it's locked. Uh-oh. I told you to call him.